Okay, so we're making, looks like it's Angus beef eye rounds, but they have to be beaten up and softened. Otherwise, they're going to be a little hard to chew. So we got those, and I'm putting them in. I'm making a wrap out of romaine lettuce. Hey, the channel is growing. Thanks to those of you who have subscribed. I can turn this fan off. I don't have to scream over the fan. So I am trying to get more. We need to hit 1,000. Got to do it. My birthday's coming up next month. I'm getting more videos. As long as I cook, I will show videos. Okay, so that's what it's going to look like. I have to put some stuff on it. I need a little bit more lighting in here. Hold on. Okay, so these are cooked. These are very thin. So I have the romaine, and well, these have to be cooked. These are seasoned with Himalaya salt and McCormick's black pepper. Coarse. Well, I'm not promoting them. I'm just telling you what I'm using. Not all the time I can get I usually get another company. I thought they were from Cuba, but it looked like they were from South America. All right, I'm gonna season this up and dress it up and make it look nice. What are we gonna have with that? Maybe mash cauliflower. I haven't made it yet. Probably can make a salad with it. So, been using this product from Walmart, creamy poppy seeds, and I've been putting it on top of there. I put some ketchup and the poppy seeds on top. So that's what it looks like. I mean, and you can fold it over into a burger or a steak sandwich, or so. Instead of using bread, use the romaine lettuce. You know, I bet you a lot of you don't do that, but you can. Some people put peanut butter. Like peanut butter, like this. You melt it and put it on top. That's if you want. You know, or you slice up some tomatoes, and which I should do. Hold on. Okay, so I put some tomatoes on top, fresh tomatoes. And you can put hot pepper sauce on this on top if you want, you know, whatever way you want to do it. Which I guess in this case I will do it. This is coarse pepper. I don't like the other pepper. A lot of you might use this stuff here. I'm not promoting the cup thing, I'm just saying. But I use Himalaya pink salt. And I want to go bouncing back and forth. Okay. This is very easy to make. You have to take one of these to pop up the meat. You want to tenderize in the meat, and then you add seasoning to it. Now, if some of you really like this, I'm gonna put which one is my? Okay, I'm making it for 2. I'm gonna put some hot Jamaican pepper sauce on top. Okay, yeah, this is pepper sauce. Let me see what this is made with. I keep forgetting how this is. They make this with hot peppers. There's another one that's yellow. Yeah. Oh yeah, Walmart has this stuff. No. Different regions. Then we have spirulina with Tabasco sauce. Put that on top of this one here. So one has it. And that's about it. It's very simple to make these kind of meals. Easy. Because you're on a budget, right? Things are expensive now. I don't use those kind of other products I used to use. They're very expensive. So I have to cut back. Okay. All right. Hey, thanks for watching. Do subscribe to the channel. Thumbs up. It'll help. You'll have both this in a short and a full video. Okay. Hey, take care. Bye for now. Oh, my birthday's next month. Don't forget. September. Yeah, September 7th. I can say that. All right, I gotta go.